na oho ye de
adomara kwa pa
coach na de yebema wa kansem kakra kire na I hope say obeboa me hu more about you. And yes, it's coronation, but the other things, the millions of supporters of Asante Kotoko want to know about you. Today, the kind you be as a whiny prosper Narteh Ogum, and I didn't cause a Ogum Narteh Ogum.
Prosper Narteh.
Prosper Narteh
Ogum.
Okay. Tomato whiny Abranti.
Yo, medase. Nedi kind medawase.
But omunya microphone yi mama na coach na minim say edru ba bia obeka sat on the press conference agitio na all that
Sunday say one of the best moments in the history of Kotoko. Say for so many years intimi and we ne league no and adom ene nimpa bi ayekese wo yen so ama intimi awene enti yesre ye supporters ni nyina say yesro ma omumra eya anadwo omumra na omuma park na enyema na omoba soso a omemeki sure say ombeta team nechi kakra na ibenya no ebeboa emeye de atoto eye niama enti yesro mo a Sunday artists bibriba emso mo hu flyers ne ade no enye bo keke but the entertainment aspect of it no eso na efe enti mesro mo say omumba modern ase ombeba ne twato so ye masida. In fact, mekai me de buy the way o ma support me aba bedu sabri eso pa ne di kan no me da eye otumfo ase se me nsoso wa ma me sa akwanyen ama na japade a eso mbusi wa ma an aspect of it which is the technical aspect of it no wama me akwenya se me nsoso me medie ni mu medana se pa ewu gidia wenya wo me mu
coach na the question me by am for but me musa 1 minute almost say opportunity ba say ye league no 11 players what's our local black stars city 1 to 11 na could of say players in be wo
what am I maybe must them we am a basso. Enti me do tumfo ase or ne mpanifo nyina me do mo ase ne toso mienu so me da board na ase me da management so ase and the technical staff, the medical staff, the players me do mo nyina ase me san so da ye fans ase. In fact, the fans have been amazing. And it is through the media. The media has been very amazing. The projection, they want to project league, you know, or project Kotoko, no. In fact, it's amazing. And meda a year University of Cape Coast say, say a honana me answer na me bandit.
What will you
me feel cry.
What resign?
There be me call leave of absence.
Okay.
Intimin Kuchi Kotoko sans on chirade. In leave of absence.
Not just say anything.
And no say some person me so come back to the university.
But say
omuntua meka me ni bibia
e no so Kotoko de no be so achen.
Oh, adwuma na ye. Enti me da vice chancellor any university management na say. Me so da me former club as Wafa.
Wow.
In fact, they
koyo mu na anu.
Enya hwe adwuma ntia. They gave me the platform. They did say Makuchi draft spend here, but Wafa gave me that platform. They gave me that image, that brand to be who I am, and I will forever and ever be grateful to them. And to my family, to my loved ones, to my friends, my schoolmates, to my church, everybody. Meet me one by one.
Yes, that's it. Now, almost say anyway, when it's a home party, I'm fan sorry. Minim ni pa krokron fa so hu ye ba let's
just cute him. No, yeah. When that's it. They call you
Jerry. Coach Dr. Prosper Narteh Ogum. Ono no ye din ko. We are so grateful, Coach. I mean, shout. We wish you all the best in Africa and then next season. But the issue of Sunday Stadium for that coronation. Kwame Eugene will be there himself. He is a coach. And I recommend it.
a party day today. Hey mama, hey I ever say. Shake your body, man, ya corner. Cause